welcome to Otis Place. It's so good to have you here. If this is the first time of seeing me, my name is Otabi. Welcome to the channel. Guys, I'm so excited about today's video. This is one recipe I don't know why I've not shown you since, but hey guys, I'm going to show you today's recipe. It's going to be made with cloves and some other ingredients. A very good and potent leave-in for your hair. If that's something you're interested in, keep watching. So for this recipe, we're going to be using cloves. You guys know I love cloves so much because they are so good for the hair. And the second thing we're going to be using is Rosewater. I'm using this brand. I'm not DIYing it. If you want to DIY your Rosewater, that's fine. And also glycerin. We start off by putting 1 tablespoon of cloves in a bowl. Now I'm going to wash my cloves because normally they're just kept open, exposed to the elements. So I wash them very well to make sure there was no dust. After washing it, I put in 1 cup of hot water and just covered it and allowed it to infuse. It infused for about 2 hours before I used it. Now see how it looks 2 hours later. You can see the color change in the water. After that, it's just to strain it. After straining it, I added half a cup of rose water to it. Guys, I love the smell of rose water. I don't know about you. Let me know in the comment section if you're with me on this. After adding the half cup of rose water, you can see how it just blended in with the clove. Then goes in a teaspoon of glycerin. Everything just mixes up together properly. They don't separate. That's one thing I really like about this. We're going to now transfer the liquid into a container, a storage container, and that's where I'll be taking out for use. This recipe is very easy and very straightforward. It's so potent. It's so good as a leave-in for your hair. That's how it looks, guys. These 3 ingredients used here all have their benefits. They are amazing to use on the hair. So now I'm going to show you the application process. Guys, stick to the end of this video. I'm going to be telling you the benefits of each of the ingredients we used in this leave-in treatment. Now, this is not something to replace my regular leave-in. I just add it as one of the things I do. This is going to be my liquid. I want to moisturize my hair, so I'm going to use it first on my hair before using my moisturizer and then sealing it. The smell is so nice. And in order to work into my hair, I'm going to make sure it's easy for me to apply it on every part of my hair, and that is by dividing my hair into sections. When you work section by section, every strand of your hair will be covered with this treatment. Not just this treatment, any other treatment you do for your hair. Now, moving on to the benefits of each of the ingredients, we're going to first start with cloves. Cloves add shine to the hair. They help in the treatment of dandruff. If you have dandruff issues, cloves will help you in your hair. Cloves help to cleanse and soothe your scalp. You know that cloves promote hair growth. Eugenol in cloves helps to promote hair growth. Cloves help in promoting better blood circulation. When there's proper circulation in your scalp, it promotes hair growth. Now you can notice that I'm not just spritzing this on my scalp alone. I'm doing it on both the hair and the scalp. And I'm also working it in gradually by just rubbing into my strands. Now let's move on to rose water. Rose water helps to control an oily scalp. Rose water is a mild astringent. It helps to cleanse your scalp. Any scalp issues you have, rose water could help with that. As an astringent, it keeps your scalp clean. thereby helping to combat things like dandruff, psoriasis, itchy scalp, and the rest. It also moisturizes the hair and the scalp. Guys, rose water is amazing. It makes your hair shiny and soft. Rose water also helps to reduce frizz and dryness of the hair. Glycerin is a very good ingredient. That's why it's common in hair and skincare products. Glycerin is a humectant, meaning it pulls moisture to the hair. It helps to moisturize your hair. It hydrates the scalp and the hair, thereby reducing breakage. Guys, what I've noticed is that this leave-in helps to reduce breakage, keeps your hair soft. Now, with all these benefits, you can see why I love this leave-in so much. Like I said, it does not need to use it to replace maybe your moisturizer, regular moisturizer. At least I don't use it that way. What I do is use it on my scalp and my hair at least 2 times a week before moisturizing. Whenever I want to moisturize the hair, that's what I use on my hair before applying my moisturizer and sealing it. And the results have been amazing. Less breakage, less shedding. You guys know that cloves are powerful or even on their own, but this other ingredients just lend their own benefits to it, making this a very good and potent leave-in. So after applying the leave-in, it's time to massage. Guys, it's very good to massage your scalp. Massage my scalp properly just to get it in there. Now, I did not show myself moisturizing my hair because this video is just for this clove leave-in. After applying this everywhere on my scalp and my hair, then I go in with my moisturizer, and after moisturizing the hair, I seal the hair. Are you someone who loves rose water? Do you love cloves? I have a clove video. I'm also going to link it. Guys, I've been using cloves for years. I'm going to do a separate video concerning that. But I've been using cloves for years and I've seen amazing benefits. Yeah, this is one leave-in I love so much. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let me know in the comment section when you try it or if you're going to try it. If you watch up to the now and not subscribe to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. When you subscribe, that bell by the side, just click on it so that select the all options so that whenever videos are posted, you'll be one of the first to get them. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up also. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.